Yeah, very, very pleased. So I really want to see him. Hopefully I can get my hair done today and look as fabulous as it does in your pictures.
Yes. And how did you find out about it?
My brother-in-law, because I'm from Vancouver, so I didn't know anywhere to go, so I'm not familiar with Toronto.
Otherwise, you are on YouTube or
Yes, a bunch of websites. He had a little card that he showed me, so pretty much he led me here.
You want to be disappointed for sure. Right?
Yes, for sure.
So let me get the band for you.
Thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Make yourself comfortable. And enjoy your time here. I'm sure you will.
I will. Hi.
Okay. Hi.
Hi, I'm Felicity.
Ben. Nice to meet you. Welcome to Shaving Salon Spa.
Thank you.
It's the first time here, right?
Yes, first time here. First time in Toronto.
Beautiful. How do you like it so far?
I like it. It's different. It's very different. I miss Vancouver though.
Yeah.
I heard you guys are a good place to come to, so.
Perfect. You're glad.
Έκαψα το χθες, νύχτες μου παλιές. Θρύψαλα οι αναμνήσεις, έγιναν κι αυτές. Λύπες και φωνές, άδικες ευχές.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So much.
Give me a hand. Thank you, sweetie.
Thank you.
It was very nice meeting you.
was nice
Hopefully
meeting
we'll
you.
see you again. You look absolutely
Thank you.
beautiful.
Έκαψα το χθες, νύχτες μου παλιές. Θρύψαλα οι αναμνήσεις, έγιναν κι αυτές. Λύπες και φωνές, άδικες ευχές. Κι άφησα σε μια γωνία νύχτες πληγές. Έκαψα το χθες, νύχτες μου παλιές. Όνειρα και εφιάλτες ρίχνω στις φωτιές. Δάκρυα κατά, ψέματα